With over 70% of the world's digital interactions on mobile devices, it's clear that mobile apps are the key to digital success. In fact, mobile users spend 88% of their time on apps versus 12% on mobile websites. App push notifications deliver click-through rates of up to 40%, and 67% are more likely to purchase from brands that have a mobile app. But mobile apps aren't without their challenges. You need highly specialized skills and multiple code bases, ongoing development to keep up with new features and security, and the syncing of data across apps, enterprise systems, and websites. But Bryj solves for the mobile app challenge. We deliver incredible mobile app experiences faster, on budget, and with less tech resources needed for businesses through our AI-powered, end-to-end SaaS solution. One of the latest #1 tech trends is generative AI. Generative AI can create new content from various inputs such as text, images, sounds, and 3D models. Building AI into mobile apps can power personalization, enhance user engagement, and increase conversions and loyalty. The following AI example focuses on a grocery shopper looking for a specific recipe. The user logs into their grocery app and asks for the recipe. Data from Salesforce CRM, commerce, marketing, and loyalty clouds are used to personalize the response. The user asks for a change in the recipe. Salesforce GPT data is used to update the user's request, and the user can now add necessary items to their shopping cart. And then they're ready to check out. Emerging technologies have transformed how we engage with digital content and the real world. They've impacted various sectors from gaming to e-commerce, and Bryj will continue to innovate mobile app development for more personalized experiences and higher customer satisfaction.